What's up, everybody? It's me, Peyton from Judge Day Fitness. Today we are going over not one, not two, not three. We're going over 5 different smoothie and protein shake recipes that you can have, okay? So the first thing you're gonna need is a blender. Second thing we're gonna need is groceries. Matt, let's go to the grocery store. All right, so we have our ingredients right here. We have, let's see, is this blackberries? No, blueberries. Is this blackberries? These are blackberries. Strawberries, nice. Bananas, protein powder. Now this is a very specific brand. It does not have to be this brand, especially because they don't sponsor me. So you can get any brand you want because, again, no one's sponsoring me right now, so they don't really deserve my clout. So, also peanut butter, milk, and that's more strawberries right there. Did I say bananas?
And the kiwi.
And a kiwi.
Can't forget the kiwi.
So all these will be involved, but we will list the ingredients either to my left or to my right. Can't tell yet, but we're just gonna see what happens, okay? It's gonna get pretty crazy. Also, very important information to go over. Me and my cameraman Matthew, thank you Matthew for letting me use your apartment.
No problem.
Yeah, we will both be reviewing these smoothies and telling you guys if they're good or not, because everything except the first smoothie recipe I haven't exactly tried in terms of like making it on my own. The dog over there, he won't be trying any of the smoothie recipes. All right, so the first smoothie we're gonna do, this is the one that I make lately for my breakfast when I don't have to get up early and rush out the door. It's a peanut butter and banana smoothie. This is the one I recommend if you are definitely trying to bulk. It's got a lot of protein in it, probably the most protein out of all of these smoothies right here. But I'm going to list the macros and the ingredients on both sides just so you guys can follow along and recreate these recipes on your own. Now, another thing that's very important is you do not have to be exact, okay? This is vanilla protein. You can change it out to chocolate protein, okay? I didn't want to buy 2 tubs of protein, but for this first one, I would definitely recommend chocolate. It just enhances the flavor more, but it's gonna taste good either way, so let's get into it. All right, first ingredients you're gonna need is 1 cup of milk. I don't usually measure, but I'm just gonna do it for the sake of this video, so you can just guess and test if you want, but I'm just gonna do 1 cup so I can be accurate with the macros and the ingredients. Second thing you're gonna need, 1 banana, 1 to 2 scoops of peanut butter. That didn't work out. All right.
Yeah. Woo! Good job, Peyton.
So then you're gonna add your vanilla protein powder, or again, it could be chocolate. I just didn't feel like buying 2 different tubs of protein powder because it gets kind of expensive. So vanilla in this case, chocolate in most other cases if this is gonna be your go-to smoothie, like it is for me. Last thing you're gonna add is ice. Now there's no specific measurement on this one because water doesn't have any calories or macros, so you're just gonna get as much as you feel like. Make sure you wash your hands before you start sticking your hands in other people's ice. This isn't my ice.
That's a good rule of thumb.
Yeah. So the more you put in there, the more watered down it's gonna be, but this is how much I'm gonna put in there. So, all right, time to blend. Looks delicious. You ready to try this, Matt?
I'm ready as I'll ever be. Wow, we're going full glasses. We got 5 of these to try?
Yeah, we're gonna be full by the end of the night.
I just ate dinner, so I'm already full. But
I did too. All right, you ready to try this?
smoothie number 1, baby.
Number 1.
Cheers.
Here's to health and fitness, right?
Amen. And gaming. Cheers to gaming too, Peyton.
I haven't touched a video game in years. I like it.
That's really peanut buttery.
Yeah, well that's what
it's good.
Peanut butter tastes good. So
It's
that's what makes it
tasty,
taste good.
yeah.
Okay, so cheers again to
It is
good
tasty.
flavor.
I don't know if I'm gonna finish this whole thing. I got 4 more to go. It's actually pretty good. I would drink this as a gamer on a regular basis.
Wow.
I don't even go to the gym. That's
Yeah,
how good
see,
it
this
is.
guy hasn't touched. When's the last time you worked out? When you're in football.
Well, life is a workout, Peyton.
All right, so next we have strawberry, blueberry smoothie. Are you guys ready for this? I am. Let's do it. Okay, so the first part of this smoothie recipe calls for ½ a cup of milk instead of a full cup. It also called for ½ a cup of blueberries. All right, so that's ½ a cup blueberries. And then called for a full cup of strawberries. That wasn't it, that's almost it. That's like 3/4 of a cup. So we're gonna put a few more in there. Okay, there we go. Now that's a cup.
That's a cup
I feel
right
more
there.
confident about that cup. All right, so we're also gonna go ahead and put in our protein powder.
More protein powder?
More protein
Oh, I'm gonna be
powder.
so jacked after this video.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's a full scoop of protein powder.
Good lord.
All right, so the next part of the recipe calls for 6 ounces of vanilla, fat-free Greek yogurt. And I don't have a scale, so we're just gonna do a little guess and test here. So that looks 6 ounces.
Oh my god.
Matt, stop doubting me.
Looks like sour cream.
It does. All right, same thing with the ice. You can put in as much as your heart desires.
I don't need a full glass.
Are you sure? All right, so here we have our blueberry and strawberry smoothie with Greek yogurt. Probably should have added more milk, but we will fix that mistake for the rest of the smoothie recipes. So with that being said, let's toast to more health and fitness, you know?
Getting full.
Yep.
Toast to getting full.
Getting full.
Am I required to say that I like it?
No.
I'm gonna give this one a thumbs down.
Okay, I'll give it like a sideways thumb. It tastes all right. I think you should not put the Greek yogurt in it, and we should put a full cup of milk in there. I think that was our issue.
And maybe like half a scoop of protein powder because I can really taste the protein powder.
All right, so the next smoothie that we're going to make, smoothie number 3, is we're going to make a strawberry banana. Now Matthew just told me not to ruin it because he really likes strawberry banana smoothies.
I love strawberry banana.
Yeah, so
It's
hopefully,
my favorite.
Fingers crossed. I just had to edit a few of the ingredients just now because it called for more yogurt. Just for whatever smoothie recipe you have, let's just cut out the yogurt, okay? This ain't it, fam, all right?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and put in like almost a cup of milk. Or like, no, let's put in a full cup of milk.
Full cup of milk,
Full cup
yeah,
of milk.
for sure.
Full cup.
I mean, honestly, yogurt doesn't really have any nutritious factors to it anyways, so.
There's a little bit of protein in there, but yeah.
You're putting a full scoop of protein powder in there. How much more protein do we need?
I don't know, it depends on your macros. Also called for 2 cups of strawberries. Okay. Also 1 whole banana.
Now, I've heard rumors that putting the peel in as well is extra macros into your smoothie. Is that true?
No, I don't think so. I'm not gonna find out anyways. They also called for a little bit of honey, so we're gonna put some honey in there. It's optional. The next thing we're gonna need is ice.
You probably don't need much since those strawberries are frozen.
You're right. I just put half a cup or half a scoop of protein powder.
Well, you know, do what your viewers would do, you know? You want to be honest with them. How
3
much...
smoothies in, this is what they would do too. I'm patient for this.
But you're saying normally you would do a full...
Normally you
for
do
like
a
a
full
breakfast meal, you know, you'd want
Yeah.
as much protein as you can.
All right, here we are, smoothie number 3. This is the Strawberry Banana Delight. That's what I'm gonna title it. We've got strawberries, we got bananas, we got milk, we got protein powder, no yogurt. I've got high hopes for this one, Peyton. Lots of protein, good breakfast smoothie if you're a gamer. You wanna drink this before you play video games, or in Peyton's circumstance, before you go work out. So, cheers to a delicious smoothie. That's the one right there, people.
I like it. Tastes pretty good.
Write it down. Put it in the book. Put it in the book.
No
This is the one.
yogurt. No yogurt.
Mm.
So you may be wondering why I have this kiwi in my hand. Well, the answer is very simple. Our next smoothie coming to you guys today is a strawberry kiwi recipe. So we're gonna start off with 1 full kiwi. All right, kiwis are a superfood, by the way, very, very healthy for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get you guys some kiwi. All right, so the second part of the recipe calls for a whole cup of strawberries. Also a full cup of milk. Go ahead and get your ice. Sorry, I almost forgot. Protein powder. Let us know in the comment section down below if we should do a 10,000 calorie challenge, because this, you know, we've both eaten a lot before this video has been filmed, so this is pretty simple.
Personally, I feel like I eat 10,000 calories on a regular basis.
Matt, you would not weigh 130 pounds if you ate
125.
125 pounds if you ate 10,000 calories.
All right, let's get into this.
Ladies and gentlemen, smoothie number 4. So here's the kiwis, the superfoods. Matt's dying over here. All right.
I smelled this previously. It literally just smells like protein powder. It smells like I'm drinking a glass of protein powder.
So here's the protein powder.
Here's get it buff.
I'm full. We got one more after this.
I'm getting the sour of the kiwi.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting that too.
And then I'm getting just slammed with protein powder. Just slammed. Body
I'm
slammed.
so sorry. All right, so if you will notice, we have brought a new fruit into the equation. It is the blackberries. I love blackberries, but they get a little tart after a few. I don't know, I'm ranting here. So this recipe calls for half a cup of blackberries. Yeah. All right, 1 full cup of strawberries. 1 full cup of milk. 2 scoops of protein powder.
What?
No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Protein powder? We don't even have any of that.
Okay, yeah, we'll leave the protein
No,
powder. No, I want to leave. I've had enough protein powder. I'm gonna go into protein shock or something. I've had enough. All right, I can't do this anymore, man.
Hold on. We'll just put a little in. Just a little baby scoop.
Just take a little bit.
For all you gamers out there, okay, whenever you're making a protein shake, you don't want too much protein because it causes you to lose focus. You want to make sure you have just the right amount of protein to add a little bit of flavor to your smoothie. That's really all it takes.
All right, it is time to drink our last smoothie. Matt, are you ready for this?
Ready as I'll ever be, like I said in the first one.
You ready to make a part 2 tomorrow?
Does that answer your question?
Thanks for burping on my phone. All right, guys. Well, our fullness may ruin the taste of this. We're doing it for you guys.
No, it doesn't ruin the taste. Just fill this up more.
Just turn this off to it. So here's the senses. Here's the 5 senses. Here's the
5 senses.
Yeah.
And adding 1 more after we drink
Maybe an
this.
enlarged stomach.
Yeah.
Part 2. No kidding.
Again, I don't know how. We only put 1/4 of a scoop in, but it smells just like protein powder. I don't know what kind of protein powder.
But that's probably the
is.
most potent smelling thing in there.
All right.
Protein powder.
Cheers to gains. Mine's a little crunchy.
That's the blackberry seeds. It tastes like
It doesn't taste bad.
no.
I don't usually have to chew my smoothies though. This is a new experience here on Judgment Day Fitness. We're chewing our fruit smoothies. All right, everybody, welcome back to the video. Well, you guys didn't go anywhere. Anyways, we are here to review our different smoothie flavors. We have 5 smoothies, all very filling. And we're gonna be reviewing them, which ones we like the most, and we'll let Peyton go first. Here.
So I would like to add that this is a very diverse review group because Matthew has not lifted a weight without a good reason for a very long time.
I just like smoothies. That's really what it is. I just love smoothies.
So you're getting a personal trainer, fitness guy, and you're getting a mat, okay?
That's right.
So my favorite was definitely the peanut butter banana one because that's just probably the one I'm used to. That's just my personal preference.
That was the first one, right?
Yeah, I love peanut butter and banana. So that's definitely my first one. How about you?
Yeah, you can't go wrong with peanut butter and banana, but really I'm gonna have to go with my first one as the strawberry banana. That one just hit the spot. It was delicious. It was pleasant to drink overall. And the peanut butter banana one is probably my number 2, but strawberry banana definitely takes the cake.
Yes, I'd have to agree with you that the strawberry banana took 2nd place for me. 3rd place would be the, I'm gonna say it's the blueberry and strawberry one. It's only because I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt that we put too much. We didn't put enough milk in there. We put the yogurt in there. That screwed it up. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna give it 3rd place. 4th place is gonna be this one right here. We shouldn't have to chew our smoothies. You're correct. So if you do this one right here, it tastes a lot like the blueberry strawberry one should have tasted.
You see, that's where I'm gonna disagree. I'm gonna put this one in last place. I'm gonna put the one that had the Greek yogurt in 4th place, so just above this one. I agree, you should not have to chew your smoothie, but I also agree you should not put sour milk, or also known as Greek yogurt, into your smoothies. And then 3rd, of course, is gonna have to be kiwi. Even though it wasn't my favorite, that tartness kind of added to it, and it wasn't too terrible to drink.
I'm gonna give kiwi the kiwi won my last place because I didn't like the tartness of it.
Yeah.
And this one gets 4th place.
Little
So
tart never hurt anybody.
you have our placings, and we appreciate you guys watching. So with that being said, guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, or in other cases, letting your autoplay go into the next video. Either way, you're here. I appreciate it. He appreciates
it.
So with that being said, be sure to subscribe for videos every single Wednesday and Saturday from now until the foreseeable future, and everything else I got coming along to you guys, because I got some great stuff planned. He knows about it. Okay, you very excited about it?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
he's ready.
pumped.
He's
I'm
very
pumped.
excited.
I'm ready for pec popping tutorial part 2. How to pop your pecs while working out. How about that, Peyton?
Okay,
While
well,
you're
stay
pumping
tuned.
iron.
Stay tuned, everybody. Also, go follow my Instagram and Twitter. They're in the description below, along with my email if you'd like a customized workout program, $25, and you also get a $5 reward if you successfully reference somebody to getting a workout program from me. Also, I am featured a lot in the channel called Dudes Do Stuff.
Dudes Do
Matthew
Stuff,
runs it.
baby.
He's probably the main, if it was like a TV show, Matthew would be the main character. I'd just be that one that shows up every once in a while. So
right.
go check that out. It's in the link description below, along with his social medias. And so with that being said, I will see you guys next time, and I want you guys to have a good day.